Thorough cleaning of the area to be repaired is of the utmost importance in the MPS premium spot repair process. It is also very important to remember to mask off all plastic parts before beginning. When cleaning, you should first use the MPS water-based cleaner and then use the MPS silicone remover. Clean off a wide zone around the damaged area to ensure that there is no dirt, bugs, tar or silicone. The next step is to use MPS fast cut polish to clean and polish the area of the spot that is to be repaired. Proper cleaning and polishing of the damaged area is important for the preparation of the subsequent blend zones. In addition, it is extremely important to ensure optimal work safety. Proper personal protective equipment should be worn at all times. First sand the damaged area carefully with P120 to P240. If necessary, fill the spot with the MPS Premium Multi-Filler. Five minutes after a 60 degrees infrared drying and subsequent cooling phase, the filled spot is smoothened. The edges should be sanded smooth with P400 grit to avoid any noticeable line, R-tip. For the purpose of optimum dust reduction, use a microfiber cloth throughout the repair process. And lastly, very important, always wear a fine dust mask. Thoroughly mask off the bodywork areas. When sanding plastic parts, MPS 1K all plastic primer should be used. When dealing with exposed metal, you should use the MPS 1K primer. Apply MPS high build spot filler to the damaged area, which must be mixed with a 5:1 ratio with high build spot filler with 10 to 15% of MPS spot additive fast. After drying for 5 minutes at a temperature of 60 degrees with an infrared drying lamp, carefully sand out the filler area with P400 grit. Wet sand the edges of the area of the spot that is to be blended with P2000 grit. Clean the surface thoroughly again with the MPS water-based cleaner and inspect the area to ensure that the surface is suitable to be painted. The surface for an MPS premium spot paint job is ready. Our color retrieval system and the MPS watertone series can create a mix of 40 grams of almost every standard color in the world based on the color number of the vehicle. Use the daylight lamp to ascertain the correct color match against the paint chip. Now mix the formula in the specified ratio provided to produce the correct color. Thoroughly clean the surface with MPS silicone remover and a tack rag, and place the Duster 3000 in the right position in order to reduce the overspray. You should first uniformly spray over the entire filler area to cover completely. To speed up the work process, a dryer can be used. Now use the daylight lamp to fade out the color to provide an optimal color match. The color tint can be controlled using MPS silicone remover as a clear coat substitute. Now mix MPS Spot Clear Speed Clear Coat in a 2:1 ratio with the hardener as well as a 10% spot additive fast. If necessary, add 5% MPS anti-silicone additive to prevent fish eyes. Next, use the Mix Clear Coat 1:1 with the MPS Spot Speed Blender. Apply 2 coats to the blend edge. Now use 100% Speed Blender on the blend edge to complete the process. Dry for 10 minutes at a temperature of 60 degrees and allow for a cool down. Then the spot area can be polished. In the case of plastic parts, repeat the drying process. Inspect the polished area with the MPS polish remover to ensure that all sandpaper scratches have been removed completely. A premium spot repair from MPS is now complete.